Download MyQ today.
Time for our update on the financial markets. Another nice day here for stocks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average up by about 0.6%. That's 204 points nearly. S&P and NASDAQ in the green as well. And as Doug Flynn joins us, certified financial planner, co-founder of Flynn Zito Capital Management, on Thanksgiving week. One of the headlines that we have, Doug, is, I guess this is good with people out there driving, which is probably painful traffic-wise this time of year, but at least the gas prices are down somewhat. What do you make of gas prices and where they are, where they're going?
Yeah, it's really good. They're down actually about 55 cents a gallon in the last month. And if you think about it, was I think last June the average was over $5. So they've come down quite a lot and more than you would normally expect. There's some seasonality. Usually you go down about 10 or 20 cents, but this is much further. And it's actually part to do with an oversupply of oil, and that's driving some prices down. So what that means is that everyone's going to have a few more dollars in their pocket. Overall, I think the consumers in the U.S. are going to have an extra $1 billion to spend on other things around the holidays, which is not bad. Yeah,
it'll be interesting to see if they do. I mean, the consumers held up so well. It brings up the larger conversation, though, about inflation that we've been having. I know our government inflation numbers often have something that excludes food and energy, but regular people eat food and fill up their gas or car with gas so that they use energy. So they care about these kinds of things. It's that, I think maybe you mentioned it last week. Sometimes the bad news that the economy is slowing down is okay. Are we getting this right in terms of how we're landing the plane?
Well, there's some talk about deflation because, there are things that are getting cheaper, such as eggs are down 22%, lumber's down 20%. There are other things that are actually deflating. So that's like negative inflation. But overall, we still have inflation, but it's actually technically considered disinflation because it just means that the rate of inflation is lowering. We still have inflation.
Still going up, just not as much.
Exactly. And deflation, if you actually do get negative prices, that sounds great because things will cost less. And sometimes people think, oh, well, if we have lower inflation, we'll end up with lower prices. Not necessarily, but deflation you would. The problem with deflation can come in this way. Let's say you know that car prices are going to be cheaper 6 months or a year from now. When are you going to buy a car? Are you going to buy it now or are you going to wait? And that delayed spending really wreaks havoc on the economy if that actually does happen. So again, they're walking a delicate balance of trying to land this very nicely in that 2% range of inflation.
That's why you hear these economists talk about this so-called soft landing. It's hard because there's a lot that goes into it, whether the economy does end up with a soft landing. Doug, good to see you as always. Doug Flynn there. We'll talk. Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.